Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing great. I hope you are all doing better than me. Well, I actually had a great nice morning. I did my small little workout at home and then I was stretching and then I cannot literally move my neck anymore. It hurts and I hope it will be gone like yesterday. So yeah, if I am a little bit stiff here, you know what's going on. It's actually getting a little bit better, but it's not really ideal. I hate it. But whatever, I'm here with you and again excited about this video. Today we are trying some Instagram recipes which I found and I wanted to try if they are really easy like they meant to be, if we can really get them done, how they are presented to be there, and if they really taste good. So yeah guys, I guess let's just do that. So for the first video I chose here this overnight oats, tiramisu overnight oats, which I think it must like everyone, just maybe person who doesn't like coffee would not like this. I love oats. I eat oats literally every day for breakfast. So I feel like it looks very easy, it looks yummy. You need oats, chia seeds, milk, cacao powder, yeah, agave syrup, whatever. I'm getting already hungry. So I am measuring the recipe said actually 60 grams of oats, but it was actually a lot. Usually I'm eating 38 grams, okay? That's my number. Then 10 grams of chia seeds, 50 milliliter black coffee. I have no idea how much I put there, just like a little bit. Then something about 9 grams of agave syrup, 120 milliliter of milk, then cocoa powder. And then it's actually said that I should put there 300 grams of yogurt. Yeah, my bowl was actually already getting full, but I put there about 200 grams. I was actually splitting it all around, as you can see. Don't forget to do that too, because that's part of the recipe. And when it was nicely mixed, I realized we have to put actually again yogurt there. It's another 100 grams yogurt on the top, which is lots of yogurt. Like, I'm not eating that much actually for breakfast, but my bowl was actually already full to the top, so I put there just a little bit of yogurt. And then we are going to powder over the cacao, the cocoa powder, but I don't have this thing to do that, so it's just cocoa powder on the top. It's the same, okay? Maybe it doesn't look that perfect, but it's okay. We can do that. It's just like sometimes I like to be quick with my stuff. And then I just had these big coconut pieces, so I was trying to, you know, just like make them smaller. And then I put it to the fridge overnight, and you can see the next morning it looked pretty good. I was excited for this. I was hungry and yeah, it was very big, so I knew this portion I am not going to eat for breakfast. I actually also ate it later, I think for dessert on the day. And yeah, I wanna show you how it looked inside. So there are no layers, it's just everything mixed up, so it was actually pretty good. I wasn't sure at first because it wasn't sweet, and then I was like, it's actually pretty convenient because you have already the coffee in it, and when you need something quick in the morning and you are not making it in time for coffee, you just eat this and you got your coffee in, and you know, your oats, your tiramisu, whatever. I would maybe change a little bit the amounts based on my yogurt consistency, because my yogurt is really like watery. It doesn't taste watery, but it's like running. Do you know what I mean? Our second recipe was made for lunch. It was this veggie sushi rolls from cucumbers, and I had this huge cucumber already already in my fridge. So I was like, that's great to do this. And you know, it's also summer. It's actually not really hot right now, but whatever. It's summer dish, it's very light, and I have never ever tried this, so I was like, let's try it for the first time with you. First I saw they put the cucumber on the papers because the cucumber is really watery. As you can see, it's dripping everywhere around. So I was making this really tiny sheets of cucumbers. Yeah, this was easy. This wasn't bad at all. Sometimes it broke, so I just put like 2 over it. And then I was also drying the cucumbers from the top. It was really pretty lots of water, and then it was a little bit unnecessary, but I saw it on the recipe. They put the cucumbers on the just of the paper towels, so that's what I was doing. We are going to start with our cream cheese and just like spread it even around. Then we go ahead and we use the smoked salmon. I was using about, I think, 5 or 6 pieces of the salmon. I wasn't sure how much I should put there, so I just put there like whatever, you know, how I felt it's going to be good. After that I'm going to cut my avocado, and this avocado was literally horrible. I hate type of those avocados. This avocado was actually in the good phase to eat, I think, but it was really hard. I couldn't even cut it, and this style of cutting I'm not really recommending do this because you can literally cut your hand off. It was even hard to get it from the skin, so I was literally fighting this avocado. I put it there how it was in the video, but my avocado was, I don't know, I just felt I should do it the other way, so I feel like this way you can roll it a little bit better. I did my math and I thought this is going to be better. Then put there your salad mix, and it's time to roll it. So let's see. I was panicking a little bit at this point. I was like, okay, it was going somehow, but I was struggling there. I was struggling. It was really loose. I felt like it's supposed to be more tight, because I knew that when I'm going to cut it, it's literally going to fall apart everything. But I would just keep rolling and rolling. Yeah, I rolled it. I feel like it should be more tight. It was very loose, but I cut it. It held together. It wasn't falling apart. I was scared, so I cut literally so huge pieces. It would be better if I didn't cut so wide pieces, but it looked good. It looked pretty good. I feel like it was holding, it was doing its thing. Then I put over it my sesame seeds, the white ones and also the black ones, and I put my soy sauce in the middle, and voila! I was actually happy about this for the first time. I feel like when you do always something first time, it's like a little bit of mystery what's coming, and yeah. So it wasn't that bad, and it tasted also really good. It was like really good for hot days. I liked it. If you like sushi, I was playing with my chopsticks, you know. My camera wanted to also kill me, so it fell on me literally. Then I was finally eating, and yeah, it was good. It was good. I feel like healthy, nice, you know, light ideas are something for summer, hot days. I felt it was good. The next, I chose something also summery, some healthy snack between, and that are these vegan blueberry yogurt clusters. Okay, I didn't do them vegan, I think, because my Greek yogurt is not vegan. So this is supposed to be like really easy. All stuff, you just put it on the tray and you put peanut butter over it, you put it in the freezer, you put it in the chocolate and whatever, and voila. Okay, let's start with my recipe. I wanted to be precise, so it said 200 grams of yogurt. So I got 200 grams of yogurt, okay? I wanted to be precise, so it works. Then I put in my agave syrup and this butter vanilla extract. The part of the recipe is also blueberries on the floor, because then they taste very better, and that's actually about it. So it might be now confusing because I did everything great, but as you can see, my yogurt is really watery, as I said already by the first recipe, and this was the problem because she was using Alpro. That's the brand from, I don't know from is it, but we have it in Germany, in Europe. The yogurt which she was using was not so watery, so you can see here I was already panicking. I wanted to get this done ASAP and put it to the freezer. So this is how it looks after 1 hour in the freezer. It said you should leave it there for 1 or 2 hours. And yeah, I was actually running off the time. We were supposed to go out and I wanted to have my snack before I go. So I was like, okay, let's just put the peanut butter over it and let's put it into the freezer for another hour. Then it will be 2 hours like the recipe said, and it should be good to go. So in the meantime, I was waiting and melting my chocolate, which there wasn't any way I would just did it how she did it. My stuff wasn't frozen enough. As you can see, it's literally everywhere. It's melted, it's looking like crazy. So I just put the chocolate over it and I was like, whatever. It wasn't fun at all. So this is after 2 hours. Something is not really even frozen like all the way through. And yeah, I wanted to try it before we go, so here it is. I wasn't sure about that. The part with the peanut butter, it's really good. It's just I don't know if I like the idea of it. It was okay, I guess. It was really messy. It was falling all around, and it was also cold. And I was just confused. So I wanted to try this the next morning after like 12 hours, and it was so frozen. It was literally like a rock, which was good, you know. I got it off the plate, and yeah, here's my result. It doesn't look that pretty, and it was definitely hard and crispy. And then I was like, I think this is actually the perfect consistency, how it should be. But it was so cold. But she was like eating it on the video like, you know, like chips, like normal stuff. So I don't know, it was really cold. Like, how are you supposed to eat it? Because if you let it melt, then you can even hold it like this. But if it's frozen like this and you just bite it, it's really cold. And I don't even have any problems in my teeth when I bite some cold stuff. My teeth are not even that sensible, so I'm not really sure about this. I don't know, I have it still in my freezer. Our next recipe is Barbie pasta, and I hope, as you can see, I was trying to be a little bit thematical. It's literally all over the internet. Everyone is doing that. It's basically, the recipes are literally almost the same. I wasn't following the recipe to the fullest, but it looks also easy. It looks very crazy with this pink color. So first I decided to mix all the things together. So yeah, you're supposed to put there 2 beads, which I did, and then I was actually cutting it right in this container, which I never did before, but it also worked, so good for me, right? Then we go ahead and we add the sheep cheese, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and you know, some salt and pepper. It said 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. In the recipe they used actually coconut milk. I didn't want this coconut milk vibe, so I just put it my cooking cream, juice from half lemon, and then 1 cloves, how you say it, 1 clove, 1 piece of garlic, okay. And then I just hoped it has the good consistency so I can mix it together, and it really worked very well. Look at the color, it was wow. It was so good, the color, and also the consistency was good. I will show you that just right away, and it even smelled already good. Look how nice color it is. So I got my water in the pot. I put there salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. Later I will put there my pasta, and in the meantime I actually wanted to heat up the sauce because the recipe didn't even said if she heated up or not, but in some other recipes I saw it, they were also cooking it, so I was also cooking this while my pasta was cooking for, you know, 10-13 minutes. And then I just put the sauce in my pasta, and I was mixing it. I put there a little bit more, and then it was time to serve. I put over a little bit of the parmesan, and I put there some basil leaves, and it looked so good actually. What do you think, guys? Look at the color. I absolutely loved it. I was like very surprised. This turned out literally the same way how it was on the videos, but let's see how is it actually going to taste. It's actually about to rain there. I think some storm is coming. The weather is literally crazy now in Germany, but yeah, we are here for food, right? So this is actually really good, guys. I wasn't expecting that. That's really good. I think the garlic helped also a lot. Everything with garlic is good. Okay, I see you, Barbie. I was actually thinking that this might not be for people who don't like beet. I don't really feel the strong taste of the beet. Yeah, I guess I will go eat my lunch now, and I will come back when I'm done. That's gonna be better. I literally forgot to show you this drink, guys. I'm just cutting my video right now, and I wanted to drink this while eating my Barbie pasta. I never tried this before. This is supposed to be strawberry and cream flavor. That's like weird to me for a drink. So let's just try it now, I guess. Better than never. It smells actually really good. Can you notice Chupa Chups sparkling strawberry and cream flavor? Let me know. Like, I'm not drinking soda at all. This, I wanted to just try it because I thought Barbie. I thought it's gonna be cool to do that. Wow. Wow. That's so sweet. It's very sweet. How much sugar is there? But I was pretty sure this is going to be worse than it actually is. But I have like literally sugar shock after one sip. This is made in Korea. This says it's really made in Korea. Look. I thought this is actually something German. Alright, guys, so yeah, that was very fun video. Very fun recipes. Some of them I didn't like, and I think I am not going to try them anymore. I didn't decide yet. Yeah, let me know which one is your favorite if you saw these recipes on Instagram, and if you tried this Barbie pasta. Yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me for more videos like this, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.